Good evening, friends. Good evening, all of my subscribers. Today, my blog related to Akbar Tomb. Akbar Tomb is the museum of the third and greatest Mughal Emperor Akbar. The tomb was built in 1605 and 1613. He has son Jahangir and situated on 119 across of the grounds of Sikandra, a suburb of Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. The buildings are constructed manually from deep and sandstone enriched and features in white marble. It is the located at Sikandra in the suburbs of Agra in the Mathura Road NH28 west northeast and city center. About 1 kilometer away from the tomb lies tomb of Mr. Zamani, his favorite wife, who after the death of Akbar laid off large garden around his tomb and was later buried there by her son Jahangir. Akbar I was the third Mughal emperor who resigned from 1556 and 1605. 1605 Akbar succeeded to his father Humayun under the regent Bairam Khan, who helped the young emperor expand in the consolidated Mughal domains in the Indian subcontinent. Akbar gradually increased in Mughal empire to include much of the Indian subcontinent through Mughal military, political, culture, and economic domains. Under Akbar, Mughal India developed a strong, stable economy which tripled in size and wealth, leading to communication expansions, greater percentage into Persian culture. Akbar at the courts of Delhi, Agra and Fatehpur Sikri attacked holy men of men's faith, poets, architects and artisans and become known in class in art, letters, the learning. On 3 October 1605, Akbar fell in from the attack of destiny from which the never recovered. He is believed to died on 26 October 1605. After Akbar's death, his son Jahangir planned and completed the constructions of his father's tomb in 1613 in cost of 1,05,000 rupees in bullet and took 3 or 4 years to complete. To victory of India, Garj contracted by the exchange repairs of the station's Akbar Museum, which were completed in 1905. Courts discussed the reservations of museum of other historical buildings in Agra, connection with the passage in Innocent Mumins Prevention Act in 1904, when they describe the product and offering the ravens in the past of gifted recovered beauty of the futures. The Preventions project may have discouraged venerations of the museum by the pilgrims and people living nearby. The south gate is the largest with the white marble chhatri tapped minaret which are the similar to predate this. The Taj Mahal is the normal point of the entry. The tomb itself, the surrounded in marble pavilion, contains false tomb. In true tomb is the other museum is the basement. The building are constructed many from deep and sandstone, entricate and featured in white marble. Decorated inbuilt panels of these materials can black slate from the main. If you want see the tomb of the Akbar, you can go straight and then you can search the Akbar Qabr. This way go to Akbar Qabr. Here is no permission for the make video. Also we can't take the photos. Maryam and Jamani after the death the husband Akbar in the large garden around his tomb, which originally had a open Bradri pleasure pavilion built during the reigns of Sikandar Lodi in 1495 and after the death in Mani 1623. She was buried in near and the husband tomb in the Bradri was coveted in the fine museum by her son Jahangir is stand the only wife of Akbar buried close to him. The first floor in the tomb in the closer the sides having arches inside the well where tombstones of Akbar lies. The hall also consists Thames stones and Sikar of Niza Begum, Aram Babu, Bano Begum and two daughters of Akbar. During the reigns of Aurangzeb, Jat rose the rebellion under the leadership of Raja Ram Jat. Mughal prestige surfaced in the blue van Jats rank Singh Akbar's tomb period during the looting of the gold, jewels, silver and carpets. The graves was opened and the kings of boons were burned is the successful raid followed in the previous unsuccessful attempt in 1685 and resulted in the occasions of conflict between the Mughal and Jats. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube video. You can meet to against videos